Welcome back to Eva's Kitchen. Of course, I'm Eva and this is my kitchen. I hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day, which is kicking off summer. And today, to kick off summer, I'm gonna make a delicious, simple punch. And I have another added surprise to go along with it. So, before we get started with the ingredients, I'd like to give a nice shout out to my 2 nieces and my 2 nephews. Two has already graduated and 2 more to go. So I'm going to give a shout out to Kylie. I'm going to give a shout out to my nephew Broderick Jr. And we're going to give a shout out to Chase and Hopper. Again, congratulations, graduates. And congratulations, I can't talk. And congratulations to all the other graduates. And before we get started with the punch that we're going to be making, let me give you the ingredients that we're going to use for that punch. It's simple, easy, and delicious. You can share it with your friends. And if you come across my channel and you like what you see, take a minute, subscribe, leave a comment and a like, and I'd love to have you. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for viewing my channel and staying around and watching my channel, which is 2 of the same. But anyway, let's get started on the punch. So with the punch, I have 3 cups of ginger ale, just plain ginger ale. It don't even have to be a brand name. It could be any choice that you like. And we have some Dole pineapple juice. And we have some cranberry juice. And I also have some cubed pineapples. And we have some berries to top it with, which is strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and blackberries in here. And we have some cube ice. So let's just start mixing the ingredient. I have my mixing bowl. So all we're gonna do, I'm gonna start off with the pineapple juice. In this cup, I have 16 ounces of pineapple juice. So we're going to gradually pour that in. And I have 16 ounces of cranberry juice. And then we're going to pour in the ginger ale. I'm making a small batch just to show you how it's made. Now, isn't that simple? Then we're going to stir. And then we're going to put in our cube pineapples. I'm going to put in some ice to cool it, make it nice and chill. And then we're going to put in our strawberries and all our berries. So, wasn't that simple and easy? Simple and easy. And that's all to it. So, before we pour it up, remember I told you I was going to do something nice? We just can't have plain old punch. We got to have something to go with it. So, let's see what I made. Okay, we're back. This is what we have. We have some sweet and salty nuts. That's good for our gut. We have some fresh strawberries. We have some peppers on our charcuterie board. We have some nice boiled eggs. Some Gouda cheese. Some olives. We have some fig preserve. And we have smoked turkey, ham, and salami. And of course, being the Southerner I am, we're gonna serve up a slice of watermelon as well. So to all the graduates, happy graduation, and let's kick off summer with something simple, nice, and delicious to eat. Remember, I'm Eva, and this is Eva's Kitchen. I see you around. I said bye before we sample our punch. Let's come back and have some punch. This is graduation celebration. So let's have a little bit of punch. See, there we have it. Again, congratulations to all the graduates, to my special niece and nephews. So, bon appetit. Delicious. Love from my kitchen to yours. Remember, I'm Eva, and this is Eva's Kitchen. Bye-bye.